We have some judges that are punctual and righteously demand punctuality. We have other judges that are pathologically late and never explain themselves. If a judge is going to be late, they owe it to the taxpayers and to the people assembled in the courtroom to let them know they're going to be late and give them the reason why. And personal reasons doesn't get it.
What tips do you have either for the lawyers out there dealing with clients with unrealistic expectations, or anything the judges can do to help you with the job of getting them to a realistic level?
My mentor taught me 40 years ago that you undersell and overproduce. And I have done that with every client I've ever taken in. There are no promises ever made.
There were a lot of lawyers that did not understand the other side's case. If they didn't understand the other side's case, they had a very difficult problem giving their client reasonable expectations. And I often felt bad for judges in those situations where it was not just the client's unrealistic expectations, it was often the lawyer's unrealistic expectations.
It's hard to do your best job as a judge when you've got the unrealistic expectations that come in. But that's not to say that there aren't things that judges can do.
I like the old style judges that when you failed to produce documents, when you failed to cooperate with discovery, you were brought in and basically made clear this was not going to happen or there were going to be sanctions.
The undiscussed downside of greater judicial accountability is, at least in some systems, greater judicial weanieism, which is